Mirella, Mirella, Mirella! I found a snake! So we are near to the second part of the Klong, and this is an example of if you do not know the road, you will never find this. And I was just biking here one day and I just noticed I was crossing the Klong and then I saw the little path, and then I said, okay, let's follow this one. And I discovered a very nice part of the Klong system. So it's right under this bridge here. Oh, I have to go up the hill a little bit. And then... Okay. Sorry for the shaky footage. Oh, there seems to be a cat in heat. Okay. Again, a very nice area here. Let's go. Sorry, Cap. Very nice and quiet, green. This is a very small Klong, so there's no public transport going through here. Yeah, this is probably my favorite, just for how green it is. The only problem is you have to ride quite a bit to get here, so it's not easy. Okay. Oh, just on time to stop for this guy. Sorry, Cap. There we go. So he just got his food. Oh. Sorry, Cap. Oh, sorry, Cap. So there's a little shop here. Yeah, they don't see a lot of phalanx coming through here. Not normally, and now especially not. Oh. สบายสบายนะครับ สวัสดีครับ Look, it's very beautiful here with all the... Oh, now I'm interrupting. Oh. สวัสดีครับ Sorry นะ โอเค โอ้โหอร่อยมากมา No, I'm making fun of my crappy accent. Very good. Oh, now it's getting busy. สวัสดีครับโอ้ครับ Scary foreigner. ครับ Okay, I have to cross the little bridge here. I see all these smoothies that they have. Looks very tasty. See if I can find a place where they got that. So here you can see the local way of fishing. So they just put the net in the water and they pull it up and see whatever fish is hanging on top of it. Oops. See, they have all the dried fish here. I guess they caught it with this net. But can guess as much as I want, I never know for sure. Nice and quiet here. Okay, so we're halfway this community now. Oh, look at this little kitty here. I'm not gonna disturb it. Yeah, I always wonder what's in here, you know. Can be some snakes, can be some turtles, can be some fish. Okay. Sawadee krap. Krap. Sawadee krap. Krap. Oh. Sorry na. Krap. Yeah, so here we're getting to the end of this community, and here you can find the mosque. It's a very nice mosque, modern style, but oops. Yeah. So I'm gonna see if I can find myself some kind of smoothie or something, because I saw these kids walking around with, I guess it was chai tea, and it looked delicious. So yeah, last time I was here was during the Ramadan, and everybody was in a very festive mood. Oh, I found a snake. This is cool. This is the first time that I see a snake here in Bangkok. Wow. I wish Mirella was here. And he's feeding on a big fish or something like that. This doesn't happen a lot, eh? Or do you think he's dead? No, I'm not gonna throw a stick at it. Oh, I caught a fish. He caught a fish. You remember a couple of days ago I was just saying that I never saw snakes here, and now I see one in Bangkok, but of course this is more like a nature kind of area. Cool! I'm super excited! But it's really a shame that Mirella is not here. So if anybody has any idea, this could be a python or something. I think he caught a fish, and because the belly is really big. Okay, cool. Excited, and I just can't hide it. Come on, come on, come on, and get a smoothie, a smoothie. Okay, wow, that is a very nice bonus of this trip. We found a snake. Yes. So this is officially the second snake I've seen in Bangkok, and the first real one, because I saw one time a very small snake falling out of a tree, probably because he had too many beers. This was a real dude. Cool. Wow. So I actually had an amazing Sunday morning. I had a nice bike ride. I went to the Rajamangala Stadium. I went to the plane graveyard, to the Bangkok Mall. I went past the Yellow Line. Now I went through the Klong area, and I saw a snake. So this is probably 4 or 5 different videos, and I will make sure that this is going to be the last. Otherwise these sentences that I say now don't make sense. Anyway, we're probably now, when I upload this, it's going to be next week, so I will be probably heading out for a nice adventure again. And yes, if you like my adventures where I see snakes and I encounter the wildlife of Bangkok, feel free to subscribe, click the like button if you like it, and see you guys in my next video. Yes, I saw a snake!